Looking for the best deal on hosting or hosting? I've got a hosting or coupon code that'll save you more than what you see on their pricing page, and yes, I'll show you exactly how to get it. Stick around because this can save you hundreds if you're starting your website today. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about hosting your plans, pricing, and how to grab a free domain with your hosting, plus how to stack an extra discount using a hosting or coupon code. Let's dive in. To get the best deal on hosting or web hosting, just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Hostinger. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code right next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the best Hostinger deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. So Hostinger has three main plans for most users: premium shared hosting, perfect if you're building multiple small websites; business hosting for higher traffic sites or online stores; cloud startup if you want the power of the cloud at an affordable price. So here's the deal. If you want the biggest discount, go for the 48-month term. It's the cheapest option per month, hands down, but even any of the annual plans, 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years will help you save the most money compared to the monthly option. Now let's talk about the monthly plan. Here's the important part. If you choose the monthly plan, you won't get a free domain name. But if you go with an annual 2-year or 4-year plan, you do get a free domain. Plus the overall savings are much higher over time. So for the best value, think long term. And here's the best part. By using the hosting or coupon code in the description, you'll get an extra discount on top of the already low Hostinger prices. That means even cheaper hosting than what you see on their official page. All you have to do is click the link in the description, enter the coupon code at checkout, watch the price drop instantly. It's really that simple. Think about it. Hostinger is already one of the most affordable and reliable hosting providers. With the coupon code, you save more money up front. You secure a free domain on annual plans, you get full access to their premium business or cloud startup features without breaking the bank. Whether you're starting your first blog, an e-commerce store, or a side project, this deal makes it easier than ever to get started. So if you want to grab hosting or hosting at the lowest possible price, don't wait. Click the link in the description, use the coupon code, and get your free domain with your annual plan. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future hosting deals and tutorials. Grab your hosting or hosting today using the coupon code in the description. Get your free domain with an annual plan and start your website with the best possible savings.